Hey everybody, it's a turbulent market, and here I am, Tim, going to show you what it means to you. Welcome to this week's market update, the 1st of March, where we're going to go ahead and be reviewing with you March 1st through March 9th. So stay tuned because it's definitely a unique road. So let me share my screen. All right. So again, like I mentioned, March 1st through March 9th, let's check out to see how the market's turning as we go into the third month of 2025. So for Casselberry, oh, forgot to change the 24 on the other side. Oh, well, no, 24 is supposed to be there. My bad. So we currently have 107 actives, pending 42. Only 2 homes sold so far this month. Median sales price 353.5. Days on market 46. Compared to last year, we only had 5 homes sold, 370 median market, and 30 days on the market. Moving on to Oviedo, 150 active homes currently, with 94 pending and 21 sold. Median price of 490, while the days on market is 62. Now compared to last year, it's about the same. We got 19 sold, but the median sales price, as you can tell, jumped up from 455. And the days on market, though, has also increased from 29. Winter Springs, 121 actives. We got 71 pending and closed 11 so far this year. 399 median sales price for those closed. 85 days on market, while 16 sold last year this time. 426, 450, and 10 days on market. Now let's move on to Longwood, which had 174 actives. Pending is 84 and sold 13 homes so far. 409, 860 is median sales price, while the days on market is 24. And then compared to last year, we had 15 homes sold. Median sales price is 469, 17 days on market. Winter Park, 324 actives, 105 pending, 18 sold. 572,500 is your median sales price with 71 days on market. While last year this time, 21 homes sold, 444,000 was the median sales price, and it took 54 days on market. Now let's go ahead and take it off to Orlando. 3581 actives. Pending is 1192 with 188 sold. Median sales price is 396 this year at 50 days on market. While last year, 269 homes sold. Median sales price is 378 and 22 days on market. So now let's take a look at the counties. Looking at the counties so far, lots and lots of actives as they keep increasing. But the median sales price is still going up as well. Solds are going down because many people are being a little more hesitant. So, but now what only matters is what does this mean for you? So, and best way to put it is the market is very volatile. Doesn't mean it's bad, doesn't mean it's good. It's just very volatile. The smallest things can make things go from one swing to the next. There's a lot of emotions in the market. There's a lot of uncertainty. Many of that certainty comes from lots of things, from tariffs with Canada that could end up causing home prices to increase with the price of lumber, for example. But you know what, if that doesn't happen, we don't know. There's so many different scenarios that could happen. The stock market, as you can tell, in the last week has been pretty crazy. And the real estate's the same thing. The only thing is real estate doesn't happen as fast. But you're going to see still slow down in the market, I think. A lot less people wanting to sell, being very hesitant. There's buyers still out there looking for the deal, feeling like they're going to get a deal in this market. But as you tell, median sales price overall still is going up. And that's going to continue to happen because we still don't have a lot of inventory out there and people still have to buy and sell. So, and the pressures of inflation, everything hasn't prevented people from not wanting to move. So still a good time to sell. It's still a good time to buy. But as a buyer, you might have some options. So, which is a unique situation. So if you need help or you have any questions about your specific situation, give me a call. I look forward to helping you. Talk to y'all later.